I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin pullback. This is a Bitcoin weekly chart. Reminder, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 4 days. All you have to do for a chance to win, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Boom, free money. Let's go. Right now, Bitcoin's pulled back after a pretty strong weekly close. I'm going to take you to some lower term time frames to kind of give you some more important details as far as this pullback. It's this simple. You want Bitcoin, which essentially put in a higher high already, higher than the previous high. It'd be very bullish to just maintain this level and continue higher, right? But if we do get a move lower, you want this low to be higher than the previous low, and then this would start this uptrend. This could be a slow crawl higher. Like everybody wants this moon mission. It may not play out, but this would be a good situation where Bitcoin goes sideways for the altcoins. And this is a Bitcoin 12-hour chart. Yesterday we talked about, is this a huge buying opportunity or swing failure pattern? We talked about this support had to hold a bounce here. You could obviously, there's a ton of buyers at this level as well as this level. They're just strongest group of buyers are waiting for a pullback here, right? And so if this does happen, the bulls are going to jump in, and obviously it's still going to be a downtrend. It's not going to be a bunch of fun short term, but it's a possibility. Yesterday's video, we talked about this idea, Bitcoin 4-hour chart, 11,637 people saw this. Bitcoin was at about 40,000 at this point. 68% chance that this rising wedge breaks to the downside. Here we are. Okay, so we've had about a $1,500 retrace from that level. This support level needs to hold. Potentially there's another support level right here, but you don't have amazing volume, breakdown volume on this, but Bitcoin's definitely not headed in the right direction. So measured move this pattern, if I had really good volume, 36,600, all the buyers are sitting right here to buy it up. So a bullish scenario could be, you get a bounce at one of these support levels because there's a ton of buyers waiting for this to happen, right? The bearish scenario would be that sellers push the price through this support level, and Bitcoin has some downside. But again, some type of bounce and then a low. And what you don't want to see is Bitcoin was putting in a series of higher lows and higher highs, higher low, higher high. You want this low potentially to be at least as high as this low. If it goes lower, then it's a lower low, and that's the first sign of it possible trend change. And then if the next high is a lower high, that would definitely mean a good possibility of continuation to the downside for Bitcoin. And then Bitcoin just basically works back into this range, and this is just going to take longer for Bitcoin to recover. But like I said, altcoins, it seems like Ethereum has just been holding the market, like the Ethereum hype. EIP 1559 is coming in a couple days, and Ethereum obviously has had some upside. So again, we called this double top and this downside break in group, and we talked about it with you guys yesterday. And so there's a point where taking profits, not holding downtrends, obviously if you can skip a $2,000 downside move, helps your portfolio amazing, right? But then the question is where's your skill set at? Are you able to re-enter? So again, 1 hour chart has had some downside. Maybe you're getting some type of falling channel with a 68% chance of a break to the upside at some point. Okay, but again, will this next high be higher than the previous high? Because if not, again, this could continue to move lower. But again, there's a ton of buyers down here at strong support. Like people are waiting for the best entry. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person said, remember when I showed you my portfolio at 250,000? And then I said, when it hits 500,000, I'm going to cash out. I started with $40,000 when I joined the group. I didn't cash out, and now I've got over $1 million in crypto. Boom, let's go. This person is up $83,000. Big money. This person said, I believe the education you provided me The value and the results are better than my business degree from the University of Miami, Florida I earned. Looking forward to the 7-digit club. He's up $402,000. This is it. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime, period. You've got to make it count. I can help you. I can make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups, period. If you are taking losses or not making a ton of money in this market, you need help, I can help you. Right now, if you go to the website, cryptorev.net, pay with cryptocurrency, you get 50% off if you pay for 6 months or if you pay for the year. With the year, you get an additional month for free. If you do want to pay with a card month to month, there is a monthly credit card option. Look in the description of this video, there's a link to take you directly to the website. These are some of the recent winners we've had: 47% gains, 115%, 87%, 41%, 69%, 314%, 42%, 53%. This is the bull market percentage. And what's happening is, if you look over here, you had this previous run up and then pullback. Right now, it's essentially you got this bounce. If this bounce continues higher, we could see altcoins move to the next level of overhead resistance, which would mean about a 20% growth in altcoins, maybe 25%. This is not necessarily perfect as far as these percentages goes, but somewhere between 20 and 25% altcoin growth is possible if this continues higher. You guys remember Kava? I've talked to you guys about it a couple times. 11,000 people saw this video on the 24th. There's news on this. The coins with news, you've got to take advantage of the easy money, right? Milk this market for easy money. Everybody gets attached to the coins that they fall in love with, they get emotional over, and Kava's got a bunch of news, and you get Kava's up 31%. And they still have the mainnet launch coming on the 12th. Kava swap launch coming on August the 31st. So you're looking for some type of pullback for entry, support entry for Kava. This is LISK, USDT. I talked to you guys about this on the 27th. 9,477 people saw this. Take profit levels, mainnet news, mainnet version 3, August 24th, easy money, LISK, 64% profits. All right, it is not anywhere near August the 24th. All right, Bitcoin pulls back, this pulls back. You're looking for a support bounce for entry. Let's go. Mainnet run up, version 3 for LISK. You get the easy money, guys. Like, I like easy money. I don't like freaking getting attached to these coins and riding downtrends and being depressed because I'm taking losses. Like, that's not for me. Near. Okay, so this chart's not amazing, but they have some news. They're rebranding. Remember when Matic rebranded to Polygon, and obviously that took off. I'm not saying this is going to do anything near what Polygon did, but Near is rebranding, okay? And Pulse Markets acquired Stake GG in the first DAO or DAO acquisition. Open Forest launched on Near Protocol. Refinance ref sale on Skyward Finance and first incentivized in liquidity pair. They have a ton of news here. They have a partnership with Icon. ICX has been hot. Okay, so again, a lot of news, a huge number of transactions. So this is something we put on our radar, okay? And so what this means is chart it and wait, let the price action come to you. This doesn't mean chase this coin and just buy now, right? You want to get an entry where, first, what's Bitcoin going to do? Bitcoin, you have to just behave. Now, Bitcoin pulls back. This could give a good buying opportunity. I mean, you see you got decent volume coming in here, right? You got decent volume coming in here, but if this pulls back and you get a bounce, you want a higher low for entry. So potentially this would be a good bounce level because there's this huge block of support right here. Okay, then it really likes to run up and kiss the 200. So you might see a move up here, which would be a 50% move out of Near. Okay, if you're not an exchange that has Near, I'll go over a solution that works amazing in just a second. Reef, here's another one. Reef, again, the chart is not amazing, right? But this is September news. You got to get a whiteboard. Write this stuff down like a business, right? Enter these coins accordingly so you can catch these news run-ups. Right? This is important stuff. I mean, we're talking life-changing money here. Like if you put a little bit of organization skills into tracking these coins and okay, this is coming, and you got it on a whiteboard. It's right there in front of you. Just like, you know, you can't go to work with no itinerary. What am I going to do today? We'll just wing it. We're just going to sit down on the PC and see what happens. No, get serious about this. Now, Reef has got a debit card coming September the 30th. NFT baskets coming September the 30th. We've got a mobile app launch coming September the 30th. So there's time on this, right? Potentially this starts running around the beginning of September. Okay, but you have to position yourself now, and you're looking, okay, number one, if Bitcoin does something amazing, then Reef breaks out above this level, right? Then, and retest, then there's a ton of upside, right? But you really, if you could get in at a, and again, these white blocks over here show these levels. If you could get in at a lower price, again, if you get a bounce here, it would give you this like inverse head and shoulders. Or if you got to pull back to this level, you'd be looking at like this double bottom reversal idea. Okay. I mean, the absolute best entry would be down here, which would put it at oversold levels on the RSI. So you're thinking ahead, and you're thinking, how am I going to position myself to get into Reef for this run-up that's going to happen in September next month? Okay, I know everybody wants life-changing money in a day, but it doesn't work like that. We're going to see, you know, some kind of altcoin momentum run-up because these altcoins move on a quarterly basis, right? Because all the news is going to be stacked at the end of the quarters. This altcoin hype cycle is going to start playing out like middle to end of this month. These coins are going to start moving based on the news because it's not always stacked at the end of the month. So make sure, subscribe to the channel. I'll keep you guys updated on all kinds of stuff you need to know. You guys are not on exchanges where you can buy Reef or Lisk or Near. Go to the link in the description for Bolsa DX. You can get all these coins, all the Binance coins, all the Binance liquidity. The coins are held on Binance. All you need to sign up here, this is based in Latin America, all you need to sign up here is an email address. That's it. That's all. Go up here, change this to English, boom. If you click on any one of these coins, the exact same UI as Binance. It runs on Binance Cloud. It's the same exact situation, right? So yeah, check this out. Link is in the description. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.